In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a projected cash out in Xero's Cash Flow Manager and update your forecast. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plot a future payment so your cash position reflects what's really coming up. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct organization if you have access to more than one. Getting this right at the start helps keep your forecast accurate for the business you're actually reviewing. From the main dashboard, head up to the Reporting menu. This is where Xero groups the tools you use to monitor performance and plan ahead. In the list, select Cash Flow Manager. The Cash Flow Manager provides a forward-looking view, which is perfect for planning upcoming expenses. Take a moment to review the cash flow overview that appears. You'll see a timeline of expected inflows and outflows, and a graph that visualizes your net position over time. This baseline helps you understand where you currently stand before adding anything new, so you can see the impact of your entry clearly. Now click Add Cash In/Out. This is the control you'll use to add either incoming or outgoing cash items to your forecast. Because we're planning a payment, choose Cash Out. Selecting Cash Out ensures Xero treats this entry as a reduction to your future cash balance. Enter the projected cash out amount. Use a realistic figure, and if your business includes tax and payments, be consistent with how you record it here. Accuracy helps you avoid surprises later. Next, add the cash outflow details. Give it a clear description, such as the supplier or purpose, and, if available, select the most relevant category or account so you can track similar items together. If there's a notes field, use it to capture context like what's included or any assumptions you've made. Choose the projected payment date. Pick the date you expect the cash to leave your bank. If you're not fully certain, choose your best estimate. You can refine it later. The date drives where this item appears on your timeline and affects your weekly or monthly cash totals. Before you finalize, review the cash out forecast. Confirm the amount, description, and date all look correct. This is a good moment to double-check you're not duplicating an item that's already represented by a bill or another forecasted payment. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will apply the change to your forecast. Finally, review the updated cash flow graph. Look for the dip on the date you chose and confirm it aligns with your expectations. This visual check helps you validate the impact on your runway and plan any adjustments you might need elsewhere.